Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hailey with Hailey Stitches, and today I'm going to show you how to complete clue number 6 of the Puzzle Mystery Quilt. If you're not familiar with the Puzzle Mystery Quilt, this is a block of the month program by Cotton Cuts, but it's not your typical block of the month program. Each month you'll get a clue mailed to you, which includes pre-cut fabric, which is super nice, and instructions to complete a small piece of the quilt. So you have no idea what the finished quilt will look like until the very last clue. I am doing the small Puzzle Mystery Quilt in the colorway Nadia. If you want more information about the Puzzle Mystery Quilt and you want to sign up for the next one, you can check out the link in the description below. So let's get started. Clue number 6 of the Puzzle Mystery Quilt is pretty straightforward. We're just going to make a bunch of flying geese, and we're going to end up with 4 of these sections. The fabric that will come in your clue 6 will be 3 different triangles. You'll have your large triangle with fabric A and 2 small triangles with fabric G and F. The first step is to assemble our first half of our flying geese unit. So you want to attach your fabric G triangle to your fabric A triangle. After you piece these fabrics together, you'll want to press up towards the fabric G fabric. Next, we will attach our fabric F triangle to finish off our flying geese unit. After you've assembled your flying geese unit, remember to press up towards your fabric F fabric. We will make 16 identical flying geese units. Next, you'll line up 4 of the flying geese units in a row and piece it together. You'll do this 4 times, so you end up with 4 rows of 4 flying geese. This is what the finished clue 6 piece will look like. Remember to press all of your seams to the left. You'll end up with a total of 4 of these units, and remember to label your units so assembly at the end of the Puzzle Mystery Quilt will be super easy. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope it was helpful in assembling clue number 6. Again, if you want more information about the Cotton Cuts Puzzle Mystery Quilt, you can check out my links in the description below. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos just like it, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all next time. Bye!